All right, here is another video. I was checking the code, trying to do it myself, and came up with this starting code for you so that your work will be easier. All right, so this is the buffer, filtered buffer, which is now being run. Okay. Now I want to send a numpy array to this buffer. Okay, from Python client. Right, from Python client, I want to say I want to send a numpy array to this buffer. So how do I do it? So here I created this test notebook, and I'm using this buff help function. Okay, buffer help function is here. It's basically the wrapper function on top of this not wrapper but extends this main fieldtrip.py. Okay, so this is the main fieldtrip Python client, let's say Python client. Okay, this Python client. All right, so I'm importing buffer help numpy, and then I'm just defining the parameters of my numpy, sampling frequency, channel, okay, each channel, block size, and then I am connecting to FTC buffer. Okay, buffer help connect to the filtered buffer. So here, connect buffer help connect method basically uses fieldtrip client and then fieldtrip main fieldtrip, right? Fieldtrip client, and connects to the defined address and port. All right, so once we connected, let's put header. Okay, so put header channel samples, and 10 is data type. So 10, let's say 10. Okay, here data type float 64. Okay, we need to define. So if this cell goes by without error, that means we connected to buffer successfully. Next, all right, so create random numpy array sample. Okay, created, sample size. All right, and now we will utilize while loop and put our sample. Okay, FTC filter client puts a sample. We connect first, and then put. You know this, and this is the example. Basically, this sample will be your EEG data you're getting from GTEC amplifier. All right, now, all right, so first send, and then second, we generate continuously. See, continuously new samples, and then pass to put to filter here. So this is now running okay. See, so if this cell runs, which means we are connected to the filter buffer here, and then we are putting the data. All right, so let me open this buffer viewer. Okay, this is what we need to show. Connect. Okay, our data is being passed. See, so we have the data. We have the data on the filter buffer, and then we define 10 channels, right? 10 channels. Block size of 4 samples at a time, continuously. All right, now let me open the buffer event viewer. Okay, so if you open it, yeah, this is event viewer. 10 channels so far, collected samples, frequency, and data type. Okay, data type is float 64, right? All right, so use this. I'm going to share this test Jupyter notebook this one. And yeah, and other things that I have done is I changed some of the things here in fieldtrip.py. Okay, initially I was running into some errors, and I actually fixed them. So it now should work with Python 3. Initially, this fieldtrip.py client was written in Python 2, so I had to do some changes here and there, okay? So replace this fieldtrip.py and also this one with yours. So I would go here, data acquisition, buffer, and here Python, and here replace this Python and then buffer help. I'll send it to Telegram.